Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to download any SRA or fastq file from the NCBI. So here we can see I am following one article and I want to download the fastq or SRA file used in this paper. So go to the data section. Here we can see the data availability. There is a PRJN number and we can also get the link of this data. So you can also go for the PRJN number and go to Google's and NCBI SRA. So here in SRA, or you can go for the project, just paste PRJN number and search. So it's showing the result. Just select any result out of this. This is the same project and click on the all run. It will take time to load. So here you can see all the sequence ID and their details is available here. The basis byte and the experiment. So here I'm going to download any of this SRA or fastq file like this one. For that we need NCBI SRA toolkit. So first go to Google and search SRA toolkit. SRA toolkit NCBI or NCBI SRA toolkit. Go to the home and you can find the download SRA toolkit. Click it. After that you have to select the Ubuntu Linux 64 architect. So it is about 88 MB of size. Let's download it. Okay, download is complete. So check it. Let extract this. Now go to this directory, bin directory, and open the terminal here. To install it, we have script, this one, copy and run it in the bin. So here we can get a user interface. It is semi-user interface. So first select cache by clicking and then press enter. So here we have to select the process local location. So choose it and then press enter, and it is the you have to select the bin, then again select enter and enter. So check the location, home, it is user, downloads, SRA toolkit, then bin. So after that you have to select or write the location of the user repository. So we have to make a directory. Here I am going to SRA -local, then go to again the terminal and use the choose and enter. Then here I have to write the total location like /home Alex, then downloads, and after that SRA local, local, and press OK, enter. So check the location, it is fine, and this it is also fine. So check the location, it is fine, and here we have to add the RAM used. Here is the 1, select and increase by pressing the upper navigation key. So my computer is 8 GB RAM, so I am going to put at least 1 GB of space. So it is 1024 MB, means 1 GB of space. Let's save it, enter, OK, enter, then exit and enter. So all is set. Then we have to check how it is working or not. It is working or not. For that we have the script to check it. So the script is copy and paste it in the bin and enter. I guess it is working. It will show you the result of the fastq file head. Okay, now you can see it is the fastq file. The few lines, top few lines of the fastq file of this accession. So let's download one sequence from NCBI. So here I am going to download this SRA file or fastq file. So I am going to copy this number, and here is a script to download, that is /prefetch -v and then your SRA accession. Let's paste it and copy the whole script, and I'm going to paste it here and enter. So here is some error due to not installed the ascp, which is not needed to download any file, so I am ignoring that. Okay, the download, you can see the download is successful. Let's check the file. Here is the SRA local. Go to okay, it's made another file, the SRA, and here is the file. It is 275 KB of size. It is almost near to this byte. So after downloading the SRA file, we have to convert this SRA file into the fastq file. For that, I am copying this file and putting in the bin directory of the SRA toolkit. Let's check it. ls, we can find that it is the SRA file. To convert it into fastq file, we have a script, and that is the fastq-dump out directory, then split file, then the SRA number. So first, just copy this SRA number and I'm going to paste it here, and let's copy the total script and I'm pasting here. So output directory is the previous directory, split file program, operation, and enter. Okay, some reads are rejected, but it is also spotted some maximum subread. Okay, let's check it. ls -l, and okay, it is in the previous directory. Let's check it. Okay, here you can find the fastq file. Let's check it. Okay, 176 KB the forward and the reverse read. So it is the whole tutorial to download SRA file from the NCBI and convert the SRA file into the fastq file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.